Hey everyone! Welcome back to Crypto Hook. I'm super excited to share some big updates with you today, but before we dive into the latest and greatest in the airdrop world, I've got something extra special for you, a giveaway. That's right, it's time to give back to this amazing community, and I'm making it as easy as possible for you to get in on this freebie. Free giveaway alert. Want to win $50 without lifting a finger? Well, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. 1. Watch the entire video, don't skip. 2. Like this video and of course, share it with your friends so they can join the fun too. 3. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, you don't want to miss future giveaways and airdrop updates. 4. Leave a comment down below telling me, why do you want $50? Once we hit 500 likes on this video, I'll pick a random winner from the comments to receive at least $50 straight to their wallet. It's that easy. So go ahead and smash that like button now. Now, let's talk about something really exciting, the Bool Airdrop. Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce a fantastic new airdrop opportunity with an amazing return that you can achieve with just 3 days of effort. Some of you might be thinking, another airdrop? But hear me out. This campaign has a unique setup that can generate real value for participants in just a few short days. Important dates and overview. The key date for this airdrop is November 10th. That's when the snapshot will take place. It's essential to get started right now to ensure you're eligible. This airdrop comes from the Bul Network as part of the DeFi movement within the Bitcoin ecosystem. Bul Network has already gained support from big exchanges like Bybit, and OKX, which only adds to its credibility. Steps to qualify. To qualify for the airdrop, you need to complete 2 main steps. 1. Stake your coins. You must stake your coins for a minimum of 24 hours. Don't worry, you can unstake after November 10th once the snapshot has been taken. The more you stake, the larger your airdrop reward will be. 2. Claim your badge. After staking, you'll need to claim a badge within 24 hours. This is crucial because it officially confirms your eligibility for the airdrop. The combination of staking and claiming your badge will secure your spot in this airdrop. Step-by-step walkthrough. 1. Start your journey. Click the link to join and select your preferred language, then confirm your account details. Completing this initial setup will earn you some bonus coins. 2. Guidelines and tasks. Follow the in-app guidelines carefully. There are social network integrations and small tasks that can reward you with additional coins. Be sure to take advantage of these as they boost your overall earnings. 3. Staking process. Once you've completed the setup, go to the staking page, select the maximum amount you want to stake, and confirm. This process is easy and ensures you're prepared for the snapshot. 4. Claiming your badge. After staking, you'll wait around 2 hours, then go back into the app to claim your badge. This badge is your ticket to the airdrop. Maximize your rewards. Beyond staking and claiming, you can earn even more by completing daily tasks and joining community channels. Each small task or channel subscription adds up, increasing the number of coins you'll receive. Make sure you keep everything staked until November 10th. When the snapshot happens, all eligible participants will receive their rewards. This airdrop is a fantastic opportunity to build up coins in a short time, and the setup makes it incredibly simple to get started. For easy access, the link to join is in the description. If you're part of my team, you'll have 24/7 support from me and my team to help with any questions. Thank you for watching. Don't miss out on this airdrop. Secure your spot, follow the steps, and let's make this opportunity count. Before I wrap this up, I want to take a moment to thank all of you for your incredible support. Our channel has just hit 500 subscribers, and I couldn't be more grateful. This is just the beginning, and I'm excited to see how far we can go together. If you haven't joined the family yet, hit that subscribe button now and ring the bell so you're always up to date with the latest airdrops, projects, and exclusive giveaways. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome to the Crypto Hook community. This is where we keep you updated on all things airdrops and crypto projects. Don't miss out. Subscribe today so you can be the first to know about these incredible opportunities. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on the Bool Airdrop or why you want that $50 giveaway. Until next time, let's go loot those airdrops and keep those profits rolling in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.